Have your mind blown by some perfectly quirky cat facts? Cats have a total of 18 toes. Yep, that's 5 on each front paw and 4 on each back paw. And get this, a cat's nose print is as unique as a human fingerprint. Talk about kitty ID. Ever notice your cat kneading like they're making dough? That's because they're marking their territory with scent glands in their paws. Speaking of scents, cats have an extra organ that lets them taste smells. It's called the Jacobson's organ, and it's located on the roof of their mouth. And here's a shocker. Cats can make over 100 different sounds. No wonder they're such chatty little creatures. So next time your kitty meows, purrs, or chirps, remember they're full of fascinating facts. Thanks for watching, and give your cat some extra cuddles today.